Well, bro, thank you so much for coming on this video. In the first video, I was just speaking in a different way. In this video, I am going to speak in a different way. Okay. So in my previous video, the first when I was talking, in that mode, in that phase, I do not think anything in my mind when I say. Right now I'm speaking, I am thinking in my mind what to say, what not to say, and the kind of word I am using while saying. So I would say when I speak in a different accent, I get so unconscious. My subconscious mind speaks literally what I have heard from the last so much time. But right now, I am speaking very consciously and I'm trying to make no errors at all. Okay, so there is a huge difference when I am speaking like this and when I speak like that. So I mean, this is kind of my art. Like you see people doing their drawing, like you see people singing a song. So immediately, this is kind of another thing. Okay, so yeah. So the second part is about they go if you wanna be someone who at least has that capability. मैं बार बार शिफ्ट कर जाता हूँ अपने दूसरे वाले एक्सेंट पे. That's so fucking cheap. Okay. जो कैपेबिलिटी है तुम्हारी उसको तुम जज करना चाहते हो. मे बी यू do not speak this language, but you want to speak, but you want to learn, or you are someone who does speak, who does better than me, but he just wants to change his accent. You don't need to change your accent. Now when I speak, I get so emotional. So I'm sorry, I got into another topic. Let's continue my previous topic, and the next video is going to be about accent. Okay. So, bro, uh, just keep listening. That's what I want you to do. No matter how good you speak, how bad you speak, listen to good people, listen to great people, listen to native speakers. Do not listen to Indian motherfuckers. I'm just kidding. Do not listen to non-native speakers. Listen to native speakers. Okay. When you like, yeah, listen those white bastards. Okay. That's what they call us, like Indian fuckface. I mean, what the wrong with our face? So I want to call them white fuckface. Okay. So listen to those motherfuckers like white fuckface, and try to imitate how they speak. We are not trying to become like them, but we are just trying to be a part of them. So it's a good practice, but इससे accent change नहीं होगा, but you will learn, and that's what I have only done. Hopefully you got something out of this video. Subscribe, like, follow. See you next video.